Hello all. Today I am going to explain about intravenous cannulas. An intravenous cannula is a flexible tube that can be inserted into a patient's body through the veins. These cannulas are used for administering medications, IV fluids as well as for taking blood samples. Cannula sizes mainly range from 14 to 24 gauge. Cannulas have different color codes for different gauge needles. Cannula can be selected according to the purpose, the condition of the patient and the urgency at which intravenous fluid must be delivered to the patient. The smaller the gauge, the larger the diameter of the cannula. Let us see various types of cannulas. First one is 14 gauge cannula. It is in orange color. The maximum flow rate can be 240 ml per minute. This type of cannulas can be used in case of blood transfusion, rapid fluid replacement and in case of trauma and major surgeries. The length of the needle can be 45 mm. The second type of cannula is 16 gauge needle. It comes in grey color. Length of the needle is 45 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 180 ml per minute. It can be used in rapid fluid replacement, blood transfusion as well as in case of trauma and major surgeries. Next one is 17 gauge needle. It comes in white color. The length of the needle is 45 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 130 ml per minute. It can be used for rapid fluid replacement, blood transfusion as well as in case of trauma as well as major surgeries. The green cannula comes in 18 gauge. The length of the needle is 32 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 90 ml per minute. This also can be used in fluid replacement, blood transfusion as well as trauma and major surgeries. The pink cannula comes in 20 gauge. The length of the needle is 32 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 60 ml per minute and it is ideal for IV infusion, and this is the most commonly used IV cannula. The next type of IV cannula is blue color. It comes in 22 gauge and the length of the needle is 25 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 36 ml per minute. And uses includes, it is used for pediatric blood transfusion as well as infusions, and also elderly and for oncology patients this type of needles can be used. And the yellow cannula, it comes in 24 gauge. The length of the needle is 19 mm. Maximum flow rate can be 20 ml per minute. And this type of cannulas are used for neonate as well as pediatric fluid replacement. These are the various types of intravenous cannulas available. The cannula can be chosen according to the purpose, age of the patient and condition of the patient. There are mainly three models of IV cannulas are available. First one is IV cannula pen-like model. This cannulas also has various color codes and they have lock fitting. They are radio opaque and they can be detectable in X-rays. The thin wall of these cannulas permits high flow rates. They have back cut specially designed needles. The second model of IV cannula or IV catheter is IV catheter with wings model. They have rotated wings for fixation and as grip platter, and they are also color coded and lock fitting system is present. Third type of model is IV catheter with injection valve model. They have radio opaque detectable stripes. They are clear and transparent. They have smooth surface and they are flexible. They have fixation wings and then they have injection valve with cap They also have color codes and they come with lock fitting. This is about different types of IV cannulas. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel if not subscribed. Thank you.